What's up everybody, how you all doing? Today I'm gonna show you how to defuse a shaken can of pop, Pepsi in this case. So usually when you get your pop from a vending machine or someone throw you one and you open it right away, this is what happens usually. Like that. And it's not a good situation, especially if you're in the car or in the class. This is what happens. Okay, so to defuse the Pepsi, what you wanna do is, let's first actually shake it really well. Create that situation that is very shaken. Okay, so what you want to do is tap like this, like maybe 6 sides or something like that. All right, like this, maybe a little bit here as well. And now let's open it up and see what happens. See that? Way less. We only got foam just a little bit here and it didn't spill anywhere. As you can see, it's dry here. Nothing was spilled there. This is a really cool trick which can save you a lot of stress actually. Alright, let's do it one more time just to show if you do it correctly, it will work each time. Okay, let's shake it up like this. Okay, now let's tap. From top to the bottom. Alright, like this. Maybe a little bit over here. And also over there. Alright. Alright, let's check. Look at that. Beautiful. Isn't it cool? It really works. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. If you like this video, please subscribe and I'll see you next time. Okay, so to defuse the Coke, actually it's Pepsi. Oh, can't even say correctly, man.